Cases which have been the subject of public commentary include the Republic versus James Jachikwason, the Republic versus Dr. Stephen Opuni and 2 others, and the Republic versus Kaisel Atuforsen and 2 others. The Attorney General reminds Ghanaians of the principle of equality of all persons before the law, enshrined in Article 17(1) of the Constitution, which provides that no person living in Ghana, citizen or non-citizen, is above the laws of Ghana. The statement says the Attorney General's constitutional responsibility for the initiation and conduct of all prosecutions of criminal offences implies a duty to prosecute a crime committed in Ghana after proper investigations have been conducted, irrespective of the political, race, colour, ethnic, religious, economic and social status of the culprit. The statement further says state attorneys assisting the Attorney General in the performance of this hallowed constitutional mandate operate under extreme pressure and are exposed to severe risk. They have the right to prosecute cases freely in a court of law, just as private legal practitioners enjoy a right to defend their clients free from abuse and attacks on their character. The decision to prefer a charge against an accused person is not made on the basis of a person's political status, social or economic standing, but on the strength of evidence subject to the scrutiny of the courts. An acquittal of a person by the courts does not imply malice on the part of the Republic in the filing of a charge. The perception that a crime committed by a person of high political standing in society should not be prosecuted is dangerous for society and must not be countenanced. Mr. Yeboah Adami observes that many of the recent comments by various persons on some criminal matters, particularly those mentioned earlier, clearly exceed the bounds of acceptable speech as they seek to disparage prosecutors in the eyes of the public and frustrate prosecution of those cases. Some of the comments are orchestrated to pervert the course of justice and or prejudice the fair hearing and determination of the cases. The Attorney General finally cautions that no immunity is conferred by a person's position in Parliament, the judiciary, traditional authority, the bar, or any official position from the consequences of an interference in the administration of justice or an attempt to overreach a judgment to be delivered by the court in any matter.